Hey, 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 you and me, let's go to the grill. Coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. I'm about to show you how to prepare a perfect grilled beef tenderloin. Before I head to the grill, a reminder, please head to weekendатthecottage.com. When you're there, subscribe to our website. After that, please head to our dedicated YouTube channel, now with over 300 videos for you to reference, try, and enjoy. After you finish that, please remember, hashtag Weekend at the Cottage. You're gonna need that when you look for us on one or more of your favorite social media platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Every once in a while, you just get lucky and you make that meal where everybody goes, oh, I can't remember the last time I had something so delicious. That's what's gonna happen when you make our grilled beef tenderloin. It is remarkable. We're gonna start by talking about the beef tenderloin itself. I'm working with a 2-pound beef tenderloin. The butcher took away all of the fat. I brought it out of the fridge. It's now at room temperature for about 45 minutes before we start. And the second thing about this beef tenderloin is all about a marinade or a rub we're gonna need to place onto it before we head to grill. We're taking a small bowl. I'm adding a 1/4 cup dark brown sugar packed, a little bit of spice. How about half a teaspoon of chili flakes? I want a smoky chili powder, so I'm putting about 1 teaspoon of ancho powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Stir everything together. Your rub is complete. We're gonna rub the outside of our beef tenderloin. Turn, rub this bit, keep turning until it's completely coated. Don't forget the 2 ends, that's very important. Now our tenderloin is ready to go to grill. The sweet spot for me is 500 degrees. I've preheated the grill to 500 degrees. We head outside, place the tenderloin onto the grill. It immediately sizzles. Lid goes down, let it grill for 5 minutes. 5-minute mark, lid goes up, turn the tenderloin over. You can see now the top is beautifully browned. Lid goes down, cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now the lid goes up and we're gonna start to reduce the increments of time. We're just gonna turn the tenderloin a little bit to get those 2 smaller sides. 3 minutes, turn, an additional 3 minutes. Take the tenderloin off of the grill. We're adding our meat thermometer. We have nailed it. 40 degrees Celsius, about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I know this tenderloin is cooked perfectly medium rare. We're adding a tent of tin foil on top, loosely, just on top. Let the tenderloin rest for about 15 minutes before you go to carve. During that 15 minutes time, check out our story at Weekend at the Cottage. I have a few suggestions for side dishes that go really well with our tenderloin. You can also head to our YouTube channel and make our beautiful chimichurri. Chimichurri is fabulous with this recipe. When you're ready to serve, you are headed towards 3 awesome moments. Awesome moment number 1, when you take your carving set and you slice into this tenderloin. It is perfect. Look at this. It is like butter. That's awesome number 1. Awesome number 2 is taking our chimichurri and spooning it on top of this medium rare beef tenderloin. How exceptional is that? Awesome number 3 is taking a fork and a steak knife and cutting off a little bit for yourself when no one's looking, and you put a tiny bit of chimichurri on that first forkful. You know what? It truly is an awesome meal. Everyone is gonna love you when you make this for them. You're gonna have great success. My fingers are crossed. You're gonna try it, make it, and enjoy it. And then after that, you know what to do. Come on back and hang out with Weekend at the Cottage again, where it's always about good food, good friends, and good times. We'll see you again. Take care.